Hi mga biik! So it's our day 3 here in Bangkok. Nandito kami ngayon nag-aantay ng bus. By the way, it's very sunny today. Sobrang init, diba? Tingnan mo si Mac. Naka-jinso light na. Ang damit lang namin is crop top and shorts kasi sobrang init talaga. Parang Pilipinas lang. So by the way guys, today magpupunta kami sa bagong tourist spot here in Bangkok. It's called Jurassic World. Ayan, so sa mga fans ng mga dinosaurs, Jurassic anything, samahan nyo kami pumunta ng Jurassic World. Update na lang namin kayo later pag nandun na kami sa Jurassic World. So ayan, nakapasok na tayo sa loob. So pinakita ko lang yung booking ko via their website and then hindi super higpit, talagang go inside na.
Hindi, baka ano din kasi. Ano yun? Hindi siya peak hour. Kasi guys, pag magbubook kayo sa website, meron dun mga schedules or days na peak season or peak yung araw na yon, meron ding off-peak. So ngayon, pumapasok na tayo.
Link na lang namin down below where you can book this activity here in Jurassic World. I mean, book the tickets here in Jurassic World. Wala pa siya sa Klook. So, nabook namin siya sa sarili nilang website. Ayan.
Mabilis lang din naman.
So, we will vlog the whole thing para makita nyo what to expect if you're going here in Bangkok. Hi!
เดินเข้าไปไม่เลยค่ะหรือที่ไหนก็สบายเลยนะคะเชิญค่ะขอต้อนรับเข้าสู่เรือเฟอร์รี่นะคะเดินด้านในได้เลยไหมคะเป็นทางออกเรือเฟอร์รี่สักครู่เลยค่ะเลื่อนเที่ยงได้เลยค่ะ
เป็นสบาย
เกาะอิซาลูบลานนะคะเป็นเกาะที่มีไดโนเสาร์ของเราอาศัยอยู่นั่นเองค่ะก่อนออกจากเรือนะคะขออนุญาตแนะนำตัวสักเล็กน้อยค่ะดิฉันชื่อว่าส้มนะคะระหว่างการเดินทางหากต้องการความช่วยเหลือเรื่องใดก็สามารถแจ้งได้เลยนะคะ to Isalubla where we have the real dinosaur in there. Before departing, let me introduce myself to you guys. So my name is Som. So if you need any assistance, you can let me know, okay?
Okay.
ตอนนี้ทุกคนพร้อมหรือยังคะ Are you ready?
Yes.
ทุกคนพร้อมแล้วเราไปกันได้เลยค่ะ Stay alert everyone and prepare to embark.
Pwede ito kayo. Ayan na. Hi.
เชิญค่ะชมวิวสองข้างทางได้เลยนะคะตอนนี้เราออกเรียบร้อย
Oh my god.
Alright everyone, please enjoy the view over here. We're departing now.
Good.
Welcome aboard. This is your ferry captain speaking. We're heading to Isla Nublar, the home of Jurassic World, where you'll see real dinosaurs and incredible attractions. You're lucky to be one of the last groups to visit the island today.
Dinosaurs in complete safety. We welcome you as our guests to step into a new reality over 65 million years in the making.
Wow.
This is Jurassic World.
Everyone look at the window over there. Wow, we got the big world. ปลาวาฬตัวใหญ่มากเลยนะคะ
It's okay. It's just a humpback whale. And
ทางด้านนี้ก็มีนะคะด้านซ้ายค่ะ
Wow. Ala, napapasa ako. Napapasa ako.
อันนี้เป็นแค่ครึ่งจากปลาวาฬ
to dock.
ทุกท่านคะตอนนี้เรามาถึงเกาะอิซาลูบลาเป็น ที่เรียบร้อยแล้วนะคะแล้วก็ทุกท่านลุกขึ้นยืนแล้วหันหลังมาทางด้านนี้ได้เลยค่ะ Now we are live at Istanuba already. Please stand up and turn back over here. Before leaving, please check your personal belongings. ก่อนออกจากเรือรบกวนตรวจสอบสัมภาระด้วยนะคะว่าไม่ลืมสิ่งของอะไรไว้นะคะขอต้อนรับทุกท่านเข้าสู่เกาะอิสตันบูลค่ะ Welcome to Istanbul เชิญด้านนี้ได้เลยนะคะ Everyone, this way guys, keep walking along the path. Have a nice day and for the rest of the day.
Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ang ganda! Oh my god! Sobrang ganda guys! As in, sobrang ganda! Hala! Brachiosaurus! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hala! Nakakatakot, kinikilabutan ako. Paleobotany. We're entering the Velociraptor containment. Ay, kabog! Lahat ng puntahan natin ang ganda. Warning! Before entering paddock, the following protocol. Oh my god!
When you take a photo of it all, please don't make it for us to copy for those.
后一定然后那个多少的人大人都不会นะคะ
Oh my god, someone's missing.
我的ไม่ขอว่าวันนี้นี่ก็อายุเยอะเลยค่ะ
Hala.
วันนั้น
So, etong nasa likod ko, nawawala siya. Wala. Blue is nowhere to be found.
another round you ready to go
Oh my god! B8 may nawawala.
เข้าไม่ได้เลยค่ะ
Wala, B8! Nawawala. Oo, yun o! Ah, nasa training room ba?
and only start to run no
Ay!
no wait
Oh my god!
is it my one you
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
go
Hindi, kamay na.
ay ba kung hindi ako makakasama hindi ka ba kung friend yan
เอาไหมไปไหมไปนี่นะครับพ่อพาไป
Sir, I don't want you to lie. You don't probably.
ก่อแน่นมาเนี่ยIndominus Rex Observation Deck เจอไหม
Sir,
Dito ba?
The Indominus Rex ขอต้อนรับทุกท่านเข้าสู่หอสังเกตการณ์ที่ล้ำหน้าและล้ำสมัยที่สุดในโลกนะฮะวันนี้ทุกท่านจะได้เป็นสักขีพยานการพบเจอกับไดโนเสาร์ We the start it now เรากำลังจะเริ่มต้นนับบัดนี้
Welcome to the Indominus Rex.
ออกเสียงตอนนั้นกด
The Indominus Rex is a marvel of modern science. Jurassic World scientists utilized the strength of a T-Rex, the smarts of a Velociraptor, and the size of a Gigantosaurus. Then added a few surprises. Camouflage from cuttlefish, heat regulation from tree frogs, and infrared vision from pit vipers, resulting in the most advanced and dangerous predator in existence. For your safety, please follow the guide's instructions, keeping a secure distance from the glass at all times. Jurassic World proudly presents the Indominus Rex.
Okay, everyone behind you. Keep your eyes open. She will be anywhere.
Oh my god!
เบิกตามองดูให้ดีนะเธอต้องซ่อนที่ไหนก็ได้ Do you feel that?
Yeah.
รู้สึกไหมฮะพื้นมันสั่นอยู่
Hi!
Oh my god that on your left ทางด้านซ้ายมือคุณ There she is the Indominus Rex นั่นไงฮะ Indominus Rex ของเรา and she smells something เธอกำลังดมหาบางอย่าง I see she want to play hide and seek with us เธอต้องการเล่นซ่อนแอบกับเรา so everyone keep looking she might show up at any time คอยมองดูต่อไปนะเธออาจจะปรากฏตัวเมื่อไหร่ก็ได้ She show up now เธอปรากฏตัวออกมาแล้ว Indominus Rex ที่เราภาคภูมิใจ The Indominus Rex
Oh!
She beautiful isn't she
Yeah.
The most powerful creature in Jurassic World เธอสวยงามใช่ไหมเธอแข็งแกร่งและดูดังและทรงพลัง Oh my god
Ay, ay, ay!
Are you okay? Are you alright? พวกคุณปลอดภัยใช่ไหมปลอดภัยใช่ไหมโอเคอะอยู่อย่างนั้นนะเดี๋ยวให้ต่อไปนะดีแล้วตอนนี้เราอยู่ในสถานการณ์ปลอดภัยแล้ว
Hala!
ต้องตื่นตระหนกนะอย่าแพนิคนะอยู่ตรงนี้ต่อไปนะปลอดภัยใช่ไหมโอเคนี่บ้างละนั่นละตรงนั้นละอย่าขยับนะตอนนี้อยู่ในสถานการณ์ที่ควบคุมได้ฮะ
Oh my god!
โอ้ she coming at us เธอกำลังเข้ามาหาเราแล้ว
Oh my god!
Now worry guys this mirror is bulletproof ทางการกระสุนเนี่ยกระจกอันไรนี้คงให้เราปลอดภัยแน่นอนไม่มีอะไรต้อง
Oh my god! Ay!
ไม่ต้องกลัวฮะมันเข้ามาไม่ได้หรอก
Ay!
This mirror is different bullet okay You're safe for sure Get the real book right now Get anything you need Come on
Ay!
Go ทุกอย่างเลยทุกอย่างทุกอย่างทุกอย่างGet out let you back Get everything We need help man Are you doing we need help What up Is everyone hear me มีใครได้ยินไหมร้องด้วยดูดิ Come on come on I need to hold the shoulder down. Look there, let go, let. Hurry up. I can go that now. Okay. We need to move now, okay? Not there, move, let it fall, okay? We need to go, everyone. This way. This way. Hurry up.
Sena!
You.
Amoy kilikili! Amoy kilikili!
I think this is good help you. To take them down. Take them down. Why the
Amoy kilikili na nga pa.
Fire everything you got. Man. Go, let's do it.
Diyos ko! Diyos ko!
See, not spreading, man.
Diyos ko! Diyos ko! Diyos ko pa, Rudy! Diyos ko po!
Buti dito, hindi na maka.
Ay, ito yung Jurassic Park na ano.
Hindi ko na napipicturean, puro video na lang.
Papunta na kami sa horror house! Ay, atake siya. Ay, eksena. Hala! Yung sinakyan!
ขอทั้งสองคนได้ไหมครับ มาช่วยผมหน่อย Driver is gone. The glass is break. I have no idea what happened. But maybe it seems like there was a big dinosaur around here. เหมือนกับน่าจะมีไดโนเสาร์ตัวใหญ่ผ่านมาทางนี้ครับ
Oh my God! ไม่
โอเค ขอบคุณครับ
Ay, ganun lang pala.
มันน่าจะมีเลยวันนี้ใช้งานได้ไหม มันน่าจะมีตัวอะไรสักอย่างผ่านมาแถวนี้แหละ เฮ้ย
Ano? Oh my God!
ทุกคนอย่าวิ่งนะครับ Do not run
Guys, it's the T-Rex!
อยู่นิ่งๆไว้นะครับ
Hala! Huwag ka lumapit! Ayan na! Ayan, oh my God! The T-Rex! Ah! Good! Oh my God! Ah! Ay, madami. Ba't ang dami? Ah, marami yung
Pili
background.
ka ng background.
Grabe. Puro ganun nga. Anong pinakamaganda dito? T-Rex na lang to. Ay, ang bigat pa. Ay, hindi. Dalawa.
Dalawa kasi.
So, gusto namin bumili ni Makoy ng anything na memorabilia dito. So, nagre-range yung mga magnet keychain nila. Starting price is 149 baht. So, yan. Parang gusto namin to. Ako, favorite kong dinosaur si T-Rex. Oo, yung sa ano, Toy Story.
Okay.
Siya naniniwala. Ayan. So, we're gonna buy this for 199 baht. May mga tumbler din sila, which is 449 baht.
Yun at saka postcard na 129. Marami ata.
Para saan? Charis. Ayan, mga biik. So, we got the T-Rex Zone Ref Magnet. Ayan, so mga biik, we're done exploring the Jurassic World, Bangkok. And sobrang nag-enjoy ako as someone na hindi fan ng Jurassic Park.
Dinosaur.
Ng mga dinosaurs na... Pero pinapanood ko yung movies. Pero if I will rate the experience, 10 out of 10 kasi sobrang interactive niya. Parang walang dull moment.
Parang they make it realistic.
Sobrang realistic. Tas ang dilim.
Oo.
So parang
Tas
vibe
ang
mo
ganda
na sa... Ano, para kang talaga nasa wild.
Tapos, ang ganda ng mga robotics.
Grabe yung hinga.
Yung hinga ng ilong, yung galaw ng balat, tsaka yung mata. Galing.
Ayun, so Jurassic World Bangkok is hashtag
recommends. Ayan, mas bagay pa to sa mga bagets. Kasi feel nila na tunay. Yung isang bata kanina,
umiyak na.
at takot siya dun sa T-Rex. Ayun, so ililink na lang namin yung website ng Jurassic World diyan sa description. So tignan nyo na lang, check nyo. And we suggest yung piliin yung dates is yung off-peak para hindi ganun kadaming tao. Tapos hindi sila masyadong strict sa schedule. So pag off-peak ata, you can use yung QR code up until 4 p.m. So, mas okay na piliin yung off-peak.
Yes.
Usually, nakalagay naman dun sa schedules kung ano yung mga peak
Kung
seasons.
dates, oo. Ipa-flash ko din dito yung peak and off-peak ng Jurassic World. Ayan.
Ayan. Pero hindi namin sure kung nag-change siya.
Yes.
Pero yan.
Nandito naman kami ngayon sa loob ng Miniso Land.
Ay, land ba?
Nasa Miniso Land kami and para na rin siyang Pop Mart. Grabe, sobrang dami nilang plushies at mga keychain na mga pasabi to. Ito, fin namin super sikat si Lotso. Tapos ito, hindi ko alam kung
May ano mga lilo.
ang brand niya is Miniso talaga. Wala nakalagay na Pop Mart. So yan, ang cute. We are trying to look for some piglet. Mga baboy-baboy. Ay, ito! Artista. Ito si Gigi the Pig. So, ang mga pwede mong makuha ay ang mga colors na yan, which is ito. Cute ba to sa'yo? Or gusto mo maghanap pa? Ang cute. Ang price ng Gigi the Pig is $299. Mas mura. So, this is parang 600 pesos. Tapos, meron din silang mga cute na baboy na ganito. $399 naman to.
Spam, tingnan mo.
Oo, spam yung nasa loob siya ng spam. So, parang nasa 800 pesos yung isa niyan. $399 ba?
Yung balot niya.
Ito siya. Si Lulu the Piggy naman.
Lulu
Yan.
din siya.
Si Lulu the Piggy. Si Gigi yung isa. Kasi, ang gusto namin gawin ni Makoy is magko-collecta na kami ng
Baboy.
mga baboy na collectibles. So, ang mina-manifest nating color ay
Ito or ito.
ito or ito. Ako, gusto ko yung pink kasi baboy na baboy. Pero kung hindi pink, may blue na ako
Ay, blue.
Sana itong dalawa. Yan. So, go. Pili ka na.
Uy! Tunog brown.
Go. Babayad na si Makoy. Tapos guys, dito sa Miniso Land nila, marami silang binibentang parang Miniso din sa Pilipinas, pero dahil ito yung Miniso Land, oh my god, may Hogwarts! May Hogwarts, guys. Oh my God. Ilang Potterhead, guys. May Hogwarts dito na collection ng mga items. Mag-check tayo ng price. So let's say for example this one, 309 baht or around 600 pesos. My God! At meron din silang diffuser na Harry Potter collection. So nakaayos siya based sa... Anong tawag doon? Kung ano ka, Hufflepuff. Anong tawag doon? Based on your uniform. Based on your... Oh my God, wait. Nasa dulo ng dila ko. Based on your... Kunyari Hufflepuff, Slytherin, Ravenclaw. Based on your line of business?
Cool.
Ano nga ba tawag doon? Based on your... Wait! Hindi ko alam. Basta ganun, based on your color. Ayun. Based on your house.
House of Slytherin.
So yun, House of Hufflepuff, House of Gryffindor. Ganda. Mga wallet. So mga BE kung Potterhead talaga kayo, mababaliw kayo dito kasi lahat nandito yung sorting hat. Tapos may hair clip. May headband. Taka. Pati nail polish kung anong house ka. Kunyari, Slytherin ka. Ang dami pang shades. As in, lahat. Kompleto. Ay! Makeup brushes, BE. Meron siyang makeup brushes na wand inspired. Ang ganda. Nakakabudol na dito. Pati yung BE. Yung scarf. Yung scarf nila is 538 baht. 1,000. Ayun. Oh my God, pati yung bag. So sa mga Gryffindor fans, ito na, naka-curate na lahat ng gamit and collectibles from Gryffindor. Hala! May broom pa nga! Binibenta yung broom?
Ewan ko.
Design lang yan. Ay, biik! Suot mo nga sa akin to. The House of Beklavu! Gryffindor! Ayun, so mga biik, nandito pa rin kami sa Miniso and magbabayad na kami dapat kaso may nadaanan kaming perfume section and yung parang own brand nila yung perfume and ang bango. Ito favorite ko. I'm gonna buy this. This is Ocean Explorer for 269 baht or around 500 pesos. Mabango ba? Tama ba? Nababango na ka talaga. Ang fresh. Sabi no? Ang bango. Ang yaman. So, we're going to buy this. So, dito sa Asiatique, maraming kainan, maraming shops na pwede niyong bisitahin. And, pwede na rin siyang, para na rin siyang theme park kasi, ito meron siyang Chang helicopter. Chang, tawag dito? Ferris wheel. Yan Tapos meron silang mga food truck dito sa labas. So, while walking, meron ding blue elephant dito. Naglalaro na naman po siya ng ganda.
Ito yung baboy na ano.
Si Toy Zero. Hi mga BE! So, nandito kami ngayon sa MNG. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa Central World. And, nagtitingin-tingin kami ni Makoy ng mga plushies kasi balak namin bumili ng 10 pieces pa uwi. Baboy din. Yun. So, meron din silang mga baboy na maliit. Si Lulu.
Ano naman ito?
Tapos may mga mofusan din sila. Yeah. For 439 baht. Ako nakukita na ko sa ganito. No? Ang cute. Mga panda, kung mahilig kayo sa panda, ayan, may mga panda din dito.
Mr. Pa.
Si Mr. Pa from Toy City. So, meron akong friend na mahilig sa stickers. Shout out to Tia. So, I'm going to look for stickers for you. Ito, may nakita si Makoy. So, let's buy this for Tia. Thank you for watching our vlogs. Captain Cup! Yes! Wow! So, eto na yung nakuha ni Makoy dito sa Tops Food Hall. So, hindi na siya card. So, meron na lang siyang QR code na ticket. Ay, na receipt.
Ito na yung gagamitin yung pambayad. So, try na natin.
So, guys, ito na yung nabili namin sa Yoke, which is #1 in the original egg tart in Thailand. So this 3 pieces cost around 325 baht. Basta around 600 pesos siya. Yan. So, ano to? Super trending and #1. So, try ko na.
Sarap.
Melts in your mouth. Kinda reminds me of Bake House ng Hong Kong. Sarap! Pati yung ano niya. Ito sobrang sarap.
Sarap. Games. So ngayon, ako naman titikit. Sarap. Hindi siya ganun katamis na. Tapos malutong yung crust niya. Hindi yung matigas. Yung sarap, parang nga yun sa bake house.
Yum! So, ito yung nabili namin sa Miniso, si Gigi the Pig.
Gigi hat.
Si Gigi is 299 baht. So, let's unbox! Ay! Ay! Oh my God! Hindi ko bet na nakuha. Dumihin. Pero ang cute. Don't forget to subscribe guys ha. Sa Cutie. So yun lang mga BE. And kung na-enjoy nyo ng video namin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the BE Adventures. Thank you for watching. Bye!